Hello, I am Eris Schoburgh, Senior Lecturer in the Department of Government and Associate Dean in the Faculty of Social Sciences at the University of the West Indies, Mona Campus, Jamaica, West Indies. I would like to take these few minutes to introduce you to my latest publication. This is what it looks like. It is Subnational Governance and Development. It is actually the Handbook of Research on Subnational Governance and Development, co-edited with Professor Roberta, Director of the Institute of Public Policy and Governance, University of Technology, Sydney, Australia. The Handbook of Research for Subnational Governance and Development is characteristically a collection of essays that analyzes a range of research problematics concerned with the subnational sphere. As a handbook, certainly we have contributors from across the world, from across the globe. So the book is international in focus. And I take this moment to acknowledge the contribution, the invaluable contribution of all the authors who have submitted essays that are on the cutting edge of research in this area. So 34 authors across 6 continents, that includes my little space, the Caribbean, where we have small island states, have contributed to what we believe is the most seminal work in the field of local governance, subnational governance, local economic development at this juncture. We are very proud of this work, given its timeliness with respect to the trends in politics, policy, and development. Indeed, the era of the Sustainable Development Goals has meant renewed focus on the role of subnational political and civil institutions. Place-based thinking is the new paradigm in which ideas about how to design solutions for problems in the subnational space are being constructed and reconstructed. The handbook traverses some core themes and hopes to bridge the gap between theory and practice in the field. Thus, it theorizes subnational governance and development. It engages fiscal decentralization. It exposes political administrative relations. It discusses service delivery. It examines political representation. It explores the practices of subnational governance generally. The scope and depth of the discussions make this handbook a critical resource to the advancement of the theory and practice of local government, of local economic development, of national development, as individual and as cross-cutting areas of study. Who will find this book relevant? All students and lecturers of public policy or management, governance, local government, local development, any student that is involved in exploring public affairs, governance affairs from an international perspective would be interested in this text. It provides public officials at the national and local level of government, business leaders, managers of non-governmental organizations and community-based organizations, policy researchers, teachers, and students of development studies, public policy and management, as well as the general public with information on the trends in research and practice, on the evolving relationship between national development and local government. We would like to acknowledge the effort of the IGI Global that has published this text and has faith in us as authors to produce something that is path breaking. We ask for your support and we hope that you will make this special reference for your students and for your policy discussions. Thank you. Bye.